You left a green pebble in your hand, Daddy.
Oh well.
A bright green pebble. What you doing, little one? Little red-headed, hairless one. Left a couple of green pebbles in your hand.
Oh well.
Must be all the cauliflower you keep feeding them. He's so freaking cute. The hairless ones, I think, are the cutest ones out of all of them. Especially the little curly whiskers they have.
Alright, I gotta put it back. Yeah, somebody shit on my hand.
He's sniffing it. He's still kind of a little bit ginger. Red-haired, hairless baby.
That's gotta be a hairless.
He is a hairless.
But I thought Mama was way too old.
I thought so too. And we only have two female hairless.
Oh, it's so cute.
Jigs.
And the stinky stuff comes out the other end. Bite her. Bite it.
It's not my hair. They don't want to sniff it. I don't know why they're all so interested in my hair.
Well, it settled down pretty good.
The hairless ones are always so good-natured. I love little big ears.
I know. And the fucking ears. The elephant is...
And the little curly whiskers.
Bite her.
No, don't bite. You gotta be a sweet babies. He's gonna be such a good boy. GGP just got a long tail.
Yeah. Oh, God almighty. What the fuck?
Yeah, scared the poo out of it, Daddy. Multiple times.
Yeah. Oh! Oh! Oh, Jesus, it touched me. Oh!
He's sleeping. He's like, okay, nights.
Okay, I'm settled down. It's not gonna eat me.
You checking for more crap?
There's more stuff leaking out the backside.
Just stick the tissue back there.
Yeah, goddamn diaper.
Well, it's a rat. What do you expect? It's not like they're house trained.
I don't think you can house train a rat.
I'd love to see you try and put a diaper on it.
Well, I'm sure I could try. It's like, what the fuck are you doing back there? He's being sweet.
They are sweet. All the hairless we've ever had have been sweet.
I don't think I've ever had one try to bite me.
Well, Harriet. Harriet was kind of aggressive. He's got a little bit of redness on his ears from the ginger part. He's got a little bit of ginger spots on his back, where if he had hair...
a little bit of fuzz on his head. His face. None on his head. Look at them ears. Oh my God. Alright.
Bobby, what you doing? Ow, claws, ow. You love your mama? Ow. Mama's sensitive. You can't claw me like that. Puppies. You're a good boy. Mommy loves you. Oh, you're stuck hanging. I got it. Okay. You better? Ow. No claws. Those hurt. They're like bunches of other needles. Yow. That's my armpit you're digging your nail into. You big slob. Bubby. Mommy loves you too, baby. You're such a sweetheart. You're a good boy. I don't know how anybody couldn't love something like you. Sure.
Said I had a big ass.
He probably right. Were you on Wisp?
Yes.
Nah, she's got a really nice ass. Wouldn't call it big.
He just said I had a big ass.
I wouldn't doubt it. I'd shoot him too if he told me I had a big ass.